Let's enjoy every bite of deliciousness and umami. Hi, today we're making garlic scallops. Scallop is the biggest and most valuable piece inside the seashell, but to cook it right, technique matters. First, sprinkle on some salt and white pepper to build the base flavor. Give it a good mix so the seasoning slowly sinks in. Next, dust on a thin layer of cornstarch. It makes the scallops extra tender and silky. This dish loves vermicelli, so let's soak it in warm water for 30 minutes until they turn nice and soft. Since they're pretty long, cut them shorter. After that, drain and set aside. Grab a green onion. We only need the green part. Chop it into small pieces. Also mince a few garlic cloves. Garlic plus seafood is incredibly good. Then put half of the garlic onto the vermicelli, add a dash of sesame oil, mix them all up, and spread them evenly on the plate. Now boil some water. Steam the vermicelli first for 5 minutes so they get soft and juicy. After 5 minutes, open the lid, place the scallops on top one by one, and steam everything together on high heat for another 5 minutes. Don't steam too long or they'll turn into rubber bands. Once the time's up, take them out right away. Sprinkle on the remaining garlic and green onion. Pour some smoking hot oil right on top. Finish with a drizzle of seasoned soy sauce. Now, time to dig in. The scallops are insanely tender and umami. Every piece is juicy, yummy, and precious. Even the vermicelli will blow your mind. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.